Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make custom emojis on Google Chat. So if you're starting to you're starting a group chat or starting a space on Google Chat, you can click the plus button at the bottom right. There, go ahead to create a space, and you're going to see right here you can click the plus button next to the space name, and you're going to be able right here to add emojis. Right? You're going to see right here you can add emojis. You can add any emoji that you would like to use, right? Whether it's a flag or whatever it might be, and you could just search at the top right here for the emoji that you actually want, right? And then basically add it to your group. So basically that's the only way to add a custom emoji right here to your space after you while you're creating the group chat. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.